Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Top 10 Vital Gist. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a Gmail account without phone number verification. So a lot of people have asked me before if it's possible to create a Gmail account without phone number verification. So it is still very possible presently. So in this video, I'll guide you on how to create a Gmail account without phone number verification. Please, before you proceed, just note that this works on Android currently because I tried it on my iPhone and it didn't work. So I tried it on Android and it's working. So if you want to try this out, so I suggest you should use an Android device. So if you have more than one Gmail account, you can sign into multiple accounts at once. That way you can switch between accounts without signing out and back in again. So someone once asked if it's bad to have multiple Gmail accounts, but the truth is that the answer to the question. There is no multiple limit on the number of accounts you can have on Google. You can quickly and easily create new accounts and also link those to your existing accounts so that you can easily switch between different accounts. So someone has also asked why you should have multiple email accounts. Why have multiple accounts? Multiple accounts can include personal, professional, temporary, and throwaway ones. These types of accounts are often used to protect your identity, especially if you tend to sign up to used forums, social networking, and other online activities with an email address. Activities like maybe affiliate marketing, like if you are into affiliate marketing and you want to use different Gmail accounts, so this is when it is necessary. So someone also ask how do I keep my two Gmail accounts or multiple Gmail accounts separate? The truth is that you should use Google Chrome's account switcher. In Chrome, you can create a separate profile for each of your Google accounts, and so also each of your Gmail accounts. It is the best option if you want to maintain a separate bookmarks, browser settings, saved data, or extension for each account. So how do you use Gmail account without a phone number? To put it quite simple, you don't need to have a phone number on a Google or Gmail. Sorry for the interruption. You don't need to have a phone number on a Google or Gmail account. Google heavily promotes the idea to contact you with verification codes and assist with account lockout situations. But if you choose to withhold your number, nothing bad will happen. Your Google or Gmail account will continue to work as usual. So if you decide to add phone number for security purpose, you can only use the same number for about I think up to 4 different accounts. So after that, you can use a different security verification process such as two-factor verification. So but in this case, once a phone number has been added, can it be removed, or maybe can it change? Or if you even eventually create a Gmail account, will you be able to add a phone number verification in case if you want security purpose? So yes, you can. It is very possible by going to your Google account, then click on personal info, contact info, then you can add your phone number. Click on the pencil to edit that pencil icon to edit the number and maybe trash, or you can delete any number that is there and put your own or whatsoever. So guys, without wasting time, let's just go there. Let me just teach you how you can create a Gmail account without phone number verification. So I'm going to start with my I'm going to start it on Android device. So if you are with your Android device, just follow these simple steps. Let's go. Account. without um, without phone number verification. So this is the simplest method to create a Gmail account. Just follow these steps. So the first thing to do is launch your Gmail application on your phone. So I'm using Android phone to do this. So preferably you should use Android phone. So you launch the Gmail application. So you click on the app icon, then you click on add another account. So it will display options like you should set up your email. So Gmail account, so select Google. So we'll have to wait for it to load. It will now tell us to so you have to verify your phone password, whether fingerprints or whatsoever. So just put your fingerprint or your password. So now we are going to select create accounts. So it will ask us whether we should create account for myself or to manage my business. So I'll select myself. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use okay okay, let's say top 10 um vital gists. So you click on next bet month. So let's just select this is not my my bet month, but for the purpose of this tutorial, let's just do it with this. So 1st of January, um okay, let's just say 1990. This is not my birth month, this is not my year, this is not my day. So gender male. Then it will ask whether we should pick a Gmail address or create our own. So select create your own. So here let's just say open vital gists. Okay, top 10 vital gist one. Let's just do it like this. Then click on next. It will now tell us to enter password. So let's so here this is add phone number. So you come down here, you click on skip phone number. So this is our Gmail account. That is all. So you can now click on next. Then this is the privacy and terms. This is terms and condition. You can go through it. Then click on agree. So finally, we've created a Gmail account where a Gmail account without our phone number. So without the phone number verification. So next step, let's just log in with the Gmail accounts that we just created now. So guys, we've successfully created a Gmail account without phone number verification. Now let's log into the Gmail account that we just created without phone number verification to check if it works. So this is just go to gmail.com, as you can see. So I just open my browser. I'm using Chrome Incognito. So you can use any browser to just test your the Gmail accounts that you created. You created. So let's just test it. So the Gmail account is top 10 vital gist one. So you can even type it like this if it's your name, whatever it is, without putting at gmail.com. So just hit enter. So the password is so enter. So allow it to load. So guys, here is the the Gmail account we created without phone number verification. So here, if in case you want to add phone number later, if you wish, you can come here, look at this icon. So you can click on it, then click manage my account. So here, if you want to change anything, if you want to update anything here, you can check personal info. So here you can put your recovery phone number. Look at where you're supposed to put your phone number. So in case you want to update it later, in case you want to put it just for security reasons. So because as I created it like this, anybody that I sent the login details of this Gmail accounts, the person will log in automatically without any verification. So that is why phone number is necessary. But if in case if you just want to leave it like that, you can just leave it like that. It's not compulsory. Like I said earlier, so if you want to do it, you should use your Android device to create the Gmail account. So I've tried it with my iPhone and it didn't work. So presently it's working perfectly fine on Android device. So in case if you have any question regarding this, like this account, you can use it to do anything. Like, so it's not like maybe if you want to, assuming you are into affiliate marketing or probably other this thing, you register for different forums and you've used your phone number so many times and you don't want to use because normally one phone number you can use it for like 4 to 6 times, I think so. So this is how you can go about it without phone number. So in case if you have any question regarding this, guys, just put your comments down below and I'll guide you on how to go about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is still top 10 fighter gists. In case if you like this video, if you like what I just taught you, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that if I post another video, another vital video like this, you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you so much. Subscribe and wait for more videos. Thanks.